If you ever had this one room in your entire house which feels like sauna while the rest of the house feels fine, then you will understand what I'm talking about. You will understand my pain, the pain I'm feeling every single day. So where I am filming, this is my studio. It has no AC because it was built after the house. It's like an add-on to our house. So it has no connection to the main HVAC, and I am sitting here all day long sweating my life away. And this is how I came to an idea to, hey, I should research a little bit and choose the most convenient portable AC for my studio so I could work and stay dry because I don't want to sweat all day. So hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am gonna be reviewing the Garvee 14,000 BTU built for spaces up to 750 square feet. So it covers bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, basically any type of a room around your house. So this is my office, as I said, my studio. It's pretty big, but it's about maybe, I would say 600 square feet. And it works absolutely amazing for me. And guys, it is so quiet. Love it. It's best for voice recordings and for, you know, like camera recordings like I am doing right now. And it sits right here in front of me and it makes zero noise. Absolutely love it. Like you cannot hear it. So I can literally keep on doing my job and having an AC cooling down my office at the very same time. Absolutely love that. So guys, let's get started with a detailed review. And guys, it is not just an air conditioner. It has 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifying, or fan. Here in North Carolina, humidity makes 78 degrees by Fahrenheit feel much hotter than it actually is. So the built-in dehumidifier makes a real difference, removing up to 75 pints of moisture a day. That's the ability of this air conditioner, and that is a lot for a portable unit. It is rated at 14,000 BTU, which means it cools a large room noticeably faster than many portable units. Temperature adjusts from 64 degrees to 90 degrees by Fahrenheit with 3 fan speeds depending on how aggressive you want the airflow. And it even has an auto swing, which moves air up and down automatically. So you're not stuck with just one cold corner and another warm one. It is gonna mix and flow the air simultaneously at a few directions so everything stays equal. I absolutely love the sleep mode, which keeps noise around 52 to 54 decibels. It is quiet enough to fade into the background of overnight. The setup was surprisingly simple. It comes with a window exhaust kit, so no professional install needed and no extra cost here. It is a total DIY installation and I was able to do it myself in a few minutes only. It comes on wheels, which in my opinion, that's such a huge plus, which you're not really appreciate till you really need it or using it. So wheels plus hidden handles make it really easy to move. Honestly, this thing hasn't stayed in one room since I got it. Office in the mornings, living room in the afternoon, bedroom at night, whatever it's needed that day. That's really the test for me. Does it buy back my time and effort, or is it just clever on paper? A unit I have to babysit isn't worth it in my opinion. I want things to be easy peasy and quick. It also has a self-evaporating system, recycling moisture to cool the internal components. So I am not constantly draining water. There are dual drainage ports if needed, plus an auto shut off when the tank is full and an auto restart after a power outage. My one observation is that room layout still matters. Even with a powerful unit, airflow is always best when the space isn't blocked by large furniture. True for pretty much any cooling system. I actually use the remote's 24-hour timer, so it's already cool by the time I walk into a room. Plus the washable filter, which I always notice because I'm not buying replacement filters every few months. For me, the biggest win is that it's simple. If one room runs hot, I can fix it without touching the rest of the house. No more sweating while I wait it out. That's the kind of fix I keep testing room by room in this house, so don't be surprised if the next one shows up here too. If you want to try it yourself, my exclusive code is linked below for a nice discount, so check it out before summer really hits on you. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments and let me know what do you think. Be so very sure to check out this portable air conditioner, portable AC by Garvee. Garvee. This is the 14,000 BTU, the model that I've got, but they have a variety of options. They actually have tons of different options for portable ACs, for regular AC, and in general, I feel like Garvee, they own the market. There's so much. There is so many different products they're offering. It's amazing for outdoors, for indoors. Just check them out. I am gonna leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, so you could just go directly find this specific portable AC that I have reviewed here on my channel today, as well as any other product by Garvee. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Once again, all the links are gonna be down below at the description box, as well as any other possible information that you might really want to know, like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. And who don't want to save money? I mean, if you don't, like, what's wrong with you? Are you too rich? Well, send me some of your money. I'll take it. No problem. I'll do you this favor. So guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to check Garvee out, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.